Hello everyone, welcome again to our academy. We are continuing our course How to Think Logically, and this is the last episode, Applications on Logic. Thinking is divided into understanding and judgment. Understanding needs definition, judgment needs evidence. Both of them are made of matter and form. The matter of definition may be essentials or accidentals. The form of definition is to start by general concepts and to move towards special ones. The matter of evidence may be certain truths, postulates of the opponents, trusted opinions, imageries, fake premises, and delusions. The form of evidence may be syllogism, which moves from general to special, induction, which moves from special to general, analogy, which moves from special to special. A definition aims to reality and use essentials is a limiting one. A definition aims to discrimination and use accidentals is a descriptive one. A syllogism aims to certain truth and uses certain truths as premises is a demonstration. Certain truths are axioms and propositions proved by axioms. A syllogism using postulates of the opponent and aims to defeating him and winning the argument is called dialectic. A syllogism using trusted opinions and aims to conviction is rhetoric. A syllogism uses imageries, talking to the imagination, and aims to movement of the emotions is poetry. A syllogism using fake information and delusions and aims to deception is called fallacy. These are the most important rules of logic. Always remember them. Applications of logic. Logic has applications in our everyday life. In every thinking process, in every thought, in every action in our life, we use definitions and evidence. Logic teaches us how to build these definitions and how to build this evidence. It also teaches us how to achieve certain truths and right thoughts. Also in sciences are made of definitions and evidence. Every one of these needs logic. So logic is important in every moment in our life and in every science. As we have said before, thinking leads to thoughts. Thoughts lead to actions. Actions shape our destination. Logic makes our thinking right, so our thoughts will be correct, our actions will be in the right direction, and we will be happy and successful. Lack of logic will lead to wrong thinking, incorrect thoughts, bad actions, and at last, misery, sadness, and failure. This applies on individuals, families, and communities. Logic is important for all of them. Sciences are divided into three types: meta-sciences, theoretical sciences, and practical sciences. Logic is important for every type of these. For example, meta-science include epistemology and philosophy of science. Epistemology is a science which studies the sources of knowledge we have, like senses, experiments, mind, religious books, and even our hearts. It's obvious that logic is very important in studying epistemology. It helps us to reach a rational epistemology. Philosophy of science studies how different types of science work. How can we build every science of them? What is scientific and what is not scientific in every science? It's obvious that logic is very important in the philosophy of science. This includes natural sciences, religious sciences, and historical sciences. Theoretical sciences are like mathematics, natural philosophy, physics, ontology, and theology. Ontology studies existence. Theology studies the supreme causes of existence. All of these sciences need logic to be rational and correct. Practical sciences include ethics and axiology, sciences of the management of family and the house, sociology and politics, economy and defense, media and art. Again, all of these sciences need logic to be rational and correct. And as we have said, philosophy of science include the philosophy of natural science, the philosophy of religion or religious science, the philosophy of historical sciences. Our academy is specialized in logic and its applications in life and all of these sciences. We have a very important course about epistemology and some parts of the philosophy of science. This course may be available in English soon, so follow us. Let's always remember these important rules of thinking. You can screenshot them and keep them. Thank you. And I hope that we will meet in other courses. Also, I hope that you enjoyed this course and learned something new and important. Tell us about your experience and your feedback about this course. See you soon.